So in our last tutorial we had our car set on fire, but at the moment we're stuck with it on fire. If we wanted to make it, I don't know, go back to its normal costume, I'd need to go into costumes, click on the normal car, and then run it. Well, this is all the kind of user side of things. We'd really want it to work within the game. Well, one solution might be that as soon as you hit the green, you're dead permanently. It's not a great idea because we'd like to have a bit more gameplay than that. But to start with, well, how could we do it just so that if we press green to reset the game, that our car were to restart in the starting position again and to switch back to the normal costume? Well, let's just have a look. We've already got a command that says whenever we press the green flag, which is just when green flag clicked. So whenever our green flag is clicked, well, let's switch it back to the normal costume. So looks, switch costume to, well, we don't want to actually switch to fire. We'd like to switch to normal car. So whenever we press the green flag, we'll switch to the normal car. Now, this won't keep happening. This will only happen once when we press the green flag. This is very different to this forever if block that we've used previously, which says it will always do what's in here if this criteria is met. So if the down arrow is pressed whenever, because it's going to forever check, then it will do this. This will only check once. When the green flag is clicked, it will check, and that's it. And it won't check again until the green flag is clicked again. So when the green flag is clicked, we'll switch to the normal car. Let's just see if that works to start with. So I pressed the green flag, and we were already on the normal car. If I go and crash, we turn to fire. So let's just move it to here, hit the green flag again. Fantastic. Our car did return to its normal car state, just as we suspected it would here. However, it didn't move back to the start. I'm guessing most of you will already guess how we can make it move back to the start, but if not, here's how we can do it. We've already got this block here that says to move the car back to the start if we hit the green. Well, why don't we just copy this bit here? We can do this two ways. I could just right click on that block and go to duplicate, and sure enough it just duplicates that block, and I'll drop that into place here. Alternatively, we could have gone and got another block, but that's a much quicker way for us because now it's already got the coordinates in that we know are the correct coordinates. So let's just try that now. If I hit the green flag, sure enough it goes back to the starting position. We've got one more problem here, is when we go back to the starting position, wouldn't it be nice if our car was already facing forwards? Well, if you didn't remember from earlier on, we actually noticed a block that might do that in motion. And it's the one that says point in direction. So why don't we tell it, whenever we hit the green flag, oh, we're given quite a few jobs now, switch to the normal car, go to the start position, and then point right, left, up, or down, or we want to point up really. So let's just try this out. So if I go and drive my car around, I crash, I keep driving my car around, and let's just hit the green flag now. Perfect. It switched to the normal costume, it went to the starting position, and then it pointed in the 0 degrees direction, which is just straight up.